What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on at Blackout today. So in the tint bay, we've got a Tesla Model S. Terrell's just finishing up with this one, and it got paint protection film on the whole front end, the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, as well as the rocker panel area. So the bottom part of the doors and the part under the doors, and window tint installed. So that's the last piece of the puzzle. We're going to pull it over to the wash bay now and get it cleaned up and looked over. Over here, we've got a Boxster Spider. This car is ready to go home as well. This one was a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, and we tinted the windows as well. So every inch of gentian blue paint that you see here is protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus. We didn't do the headlights on this car. So Porsche, a lot of people may not know, they have a problem with headlights delaminating. I did decide to do mine on my Cayman, but it's sort of a crapshoot. So customer decided not to do that. We always make sure we inform the customer that that is something that could happen. If you ever need to remove the film, it can delaminate. Another C8 Corvette. I feel like every week there's a C8 Corvette here. This one got paint protection film previously installed, and now it is getting a Ceramic Pro Gold package. And this AMG is the same thing. This one's here for a Ceramic Pro Gold, and Jimmy just finished polishing it, so the ceramic is about to go down on this one. Brandon is finishing an annual checkup. This is a Dodge Challenger wide body. This is a scat pack, and it's got some custom graphics on it that we did last year when we did the ceramic coating as well. And so now he's just doing the finishing touches. Basically, that annual checkup is we clean up the whole exterior, and then we put a Ceramic Pro Sport topper on there to make sure all that hydrophobic effects are operating as good as they should be. This car is awesome. This is one of 350 ever made. This one I think is number 88, but it's a McLaren 620R, which is basically the McLaren 600, and then they make it like a super race version. It's like the street legal version of the 600 GT4 car, I guess. And it's getting a full XPEL wrap. Every inch of this will be protected with XPEL. We have some of it done now. A lot of the carbon pieces are done. The hood is done as well, but check out the inside of this thing. But before we do, check out Midnight Sun Supercars or Midnight SSC on Instagram. He's got a extensive collection of cars, and they're always changing. So look at those carbon buckets. Those are fixed back seats. It comes with, I think, 5-point harnesses from the factory. Just a super cool car. It's not fun to get in and out over this lip here, but once you're in, they're actually pretty comfortable. We're also tinting this thing and ceramic coating it and installing slip-low front bumper skid protection so the front bumper doesn't scrape up. Over here on the lift, we've got a Range Rover. This one's here for paint protection film. So we did the full front end. You can see the edges of the hood are drying. We're gonna be wrapping all of those around for as seamless of an installation as humanly possible, which is what we always do here. And we also did the A-pillars and the roof and the mirrors on this thing. Aaron's just about to finish up doing the bumper now. And we're back in the tint bay. The Tesla has moved and has been replaced by a parked police vehicle. This one's getting the rear section tinted. So in addition to tinting emergency vehicles, we also offer full emergency vehicle upfitting. So we didn't do this one, but when they come in as just an Explorer, it will leave as a police car. We do everything start to finish. That's a whole other division of Blackout. Outside, we've got another police car. This is one that we did upfit, and something happened to a microphone cable or something. So of course, we're going to take a look at that and get it taken care of for them. Police vehicles get a lot of heavy use, so it's not uncommon for something little here and there to happen, and we always make sure we stand behind our work. This is one I guarantee you guys haven't seen on the road yet. This is a new Ford Bronco Sport. We're gonna have a couple of different videos out about this thing. You can get it at Smale Ford. We did a ceramic coating on it, an XPEL Fusion coating, so if you happen to be the lucky one that buys this one, it's already protected by the best. Also, we've got this monster. You guys probably remember seeing this from last week's What's in the Shop, and it was all ripped apart last week. Well, it's ready to go home now. This is a full vinyl wrap in an orange and black and gray and sort of light gray camo. This was a big project. It was a lot of fun. It looks awesome, and there's some more stuff coming up that we're gonna wrap to match this. So keep an eye out for that. And last but certainly not least, over at this shop at least, we've got an AMG GLE 53, I believe this is. So this is the GL class SUV, the AMG version. It's got a turbo engine. Of course, it's all-wheel drive. This one's here for paint protection film. You can get this one at Smale Mercedes-Benz. So that's it, guys, for what's going on at the shop this Wednesday. Please let us know what you think of some of the cars here. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next week.